Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Debank charts, a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios. To get started, it is essential to understand what Debank charts are and their significance in the cryptocurrency space. Debank charts provide a visual representation of your cryptocurrency portfolio, allowing you to track your assets, liabilities, and overall performance. First, let's discuss the importance of setting up your Debank chart correctly. This involves linking your cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges to Debank, ensuring that all your assets are accounted for. It is crucial to include all your wallets and exchanges to get an accurate picture of your portfolio. Next, let's explore the key features of Debank charts. The dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, including the total value of your assets, the distribution of your assets across different cryptocurrencies, and your portfolio's performance over time. You can also track your transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades, to get a better understanding of your portfolio's activity. To get the most out of Debank charts, it is vital to customize your dashboard to suit your needs. You can add or remove widgets, adjust the layout, and set alerts for specific events, such as price movements or transaction confirmation. This allows you to focus on the information that is most important to you and stay up to date with market developments. Another critical aspect of using Debank charts is tracking your portfolio's performance. This involves monitoring your returns, including profits and losses, and adjusting your investment strategy accordingly. Debank charts provide a range of metrics, including return on investment, volatility, and Sharpe ratio, to help you evaluate your portfolio's performance. In addition to tracking your portfolio, Debank charts also provide tools for risk management. You can set stop-loss orders, limit orders, and other risk management strategies to protect your assets and minimize losses. It is essential to have a risk management plan in place to avoid significant losses during market downturns. Best practices for using Debank charts include regularly updating your portfolio, monitoring market trends, and adjusting your strategy accordingly. It is also crucial to stay informed about market developments and adjust your portfolio to reflect changing market conditions. In conclusion, Debank charts are a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios. By following these tips, you can get the most out of Debank charts and make informed investment decisions. Remember to set up your chart correctly, customize your dashboard, track your portfolio's performance, and implement risk management strategies to protect your assets. With Debank charts, you can take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio and achieve your investment goals.